Hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to use a layout. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. Okay, let's go ahead and start a new scene to just get rid of any mumbo jumbo. And the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is make sure to add our layout. If it's a video, use media source. If it's a picture, use the image. And then from there, I'll just go ahead and find the image on my computer. So this is the layout that I'm going to want to use, right? So here's how I would do it. But let's say this is where it wants me to put my game or display capture. I go ahead and add display cap. All right. Just go ahead and fit this to screen to make it a little bit easier. Okay, now it's all about getting the layers to work out properly. So maybe like I would stretch it out to essentially work with the layout like that. Now my screen is on this section of the layout. And then if I wanted to be kind of cool, then I would go ahead and maybe add like my video capture device. Go ahead and put it, I don't know, somewhere right here. And then you can get really creative with the layouts. Now, transparent layout's almost better. So you can let the border of like your camera and your display kind of sit on the inside of these borders of the frame instead of being on the outside. But I just kind of downloaded this to show you guys how it work. And then I could put like the chat right here. I could put my recent followers, donations, and things right here. And then I could go ahead and fill out the rest of the layout. Now this is a very temporary sort of tutorial layout that's not very clean or pretty, but once you get one that you like and that you want to use, you can go ahead and kind of tweak it to your liking. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been a quick tips tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.